Just want to show you, look how cool my hand looks right there. Is it focusing? I was told by the parentals today, do not get paint all over your hands. Well, they're a little bit too late considering how old I am. I pretty much have paint on me constantly. Alright, goodbye for now. Thanks for watching. Okay, I've mixed up some more paint and I am going to play a minute. Look how we've got this going on. Love that. So let's see, pour off there. Going to come back over here. Go back in. Now, we go here. Cool. Now I've got paint all over my hands, but I'm going to take my camera off here maybe, or my phone. Let's see what you think. Look how neat all that stuff is. These are called cells. I wish it was a little brighter. I'm blocking the light, I believe. I really like how that one has turned out. Pretty cool. May do another. Let's just see. Okay, do I have you centered? Looks not centered, but it's good enough. All right, let's give this a go. I don't want to go too high. Wow, look at that little guy right there. He's super nice. I don't know, I kind of like the simplicity of this right here. What do you guys think? I may not mess with it at all, although I've got a little blank spot, looks like right there. I don't want to mess this up, but hope that evens out right there. And I love how this blue is spreading. Can you see the turquoise kind of spreading out? I may regret this, but I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to dip this in and do this. Just like that. And then just... I hope I didn't ruin it. It's looking kind of gray right there, so I'm going to dip back in my black because I am not feeling that at all. And let's do this. Okay. I like it. All right, I'm going to place this over here, and I think we'll do one more and end it for this evening. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's me again. We're going to do one more pour. Are you ready? This guy, let's do like this. This guy, let's go like this. some leftover of this. I see a little globule right here. Let's get rid of that. I'm going to torch right there in that khaki color. And a blue, I guess. Looks pretty awesome. Alright, my hands are way too painty to pick this up. I wish I had a little bit of white mixed up to kind of break that up right there. Let's see. I do have some light blue, but I think I'm going to leave it. Yeah, I need to leave it. Okay, thanks for watching.